Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel English Literature Gyan. In today's video, we will talk about some important MCQs related to metaphysical poets in English literature. So let's start the video. First is the term metaphysical poets was coined by S.T. Coleridge, T.S. Eliot, Dr. Samuel Johnson, or John Dryden. And the correct answer is option C, Dr. Samuel Johnson. Next is what term is associated to metaphysical poetry that suggests the tendency of these poets to display their learning in poetry. मीन्स मेटाफिजिकल पोएट्री से एसोसिएटेड कौन सा टर्म इन पोइट्स की पोएट्री में अपनी लर्निंग को डिस्प्ले करने की टेंडेंसी को सजेस्ट करता है. एंड द ऑप्शंस आर निगेटिव कैपेबिलिटी, विट, आयरनी एंड सुपरनेचुरलिज्म. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, विट. नेक्स्ट इज which of the following metaphysical poets compared soul to a drop of dew in one of his poems? And the options are Andrew Marvell, John Donne, George Herbert and Abraham Cowley. And the correct answer is option A, Andrew Marvell. Friends, Andrew Marvell compared soul to a drop of dew in his poem On a Drop of Dew that was published in 1681. Next is which of the following metaphysical poets compared two legs of compass to two lovers in one of his poems? And the options are Abraham Cowley, Andrew Marvell, John Donne, George Herbert. And the correct answer is option C, John Donne. John Donne compared two legs of compass to two lovers in his poem A Valediction Forbidding Mourning, and it was published in 1633. Next is which of the following metaphysical poets married Anne More? And the options are Andrew Marvell, Abraham Cowley, George Herbert and John Donne. And the correct answer is option D, John Donne. Next is which of the following metaphysical poets talk of vegetable love in one of his poems? And the options are Andrew Marvell, George Herbert, Abraham Cowley and John Donne. And the correct answer is option A, Andrew Marvell. Andrew Marvell talked about vegetable love in his famous poem To His Co-Mistress, and it was published in 1681. Next is what does conceit refer to in concern to metaphysical poetry? And the options are simile, metaphor, analogy and far-fetched similes and metaphors. And the correct answer is option D, far-fetched similes and metaphors. मेटाफिजिकल पोएट्स मोस्ट ऑफ देयर वर्क्स में फार फैच्ड सिमलीज एंड मेटाफर्स का यूज करते थे. मीन्स मेटाफिजिकल पोएट्स अपनी पोएट्री में ऐसी टू थिंग्स के बीच कंपैरिजन करते थे जो बिल्कुल डिफरेंट होती थी, मीन्स जिनमें कोई सिमिलरिटी होती ही नहीं थी. नेक्स्ट इज डॉक्टर सैमुअल जॉनसन first coined the term metaphysical poets in his book Lives of the Most Eminent English Poets, Life of Mr. Richard Savage, The Vanity of Human Wishes, or Preface to a Dictionary of the English Language. And the correct answer is option A, Lives of the Most Eminent English Poets. It was published in 1779. In Lives of the Most Eminent English Poets, Dr. Johnson mentioned short biographies of 52 poets, and the term metaphysical poets was coined in first biography, that was the biography of Abraham Cowley. Next is the phrase he affects the metaphysics was spoken by S.T. Coleridge, T.S. Eliot, Dr. Samuel Johnson or John Dryden? And the correct answer is option D, John Dryden. John Dryden used the term in the context of John Donne. Next is John Donne's poetry can be divided into three parts, which includes amorous, metaphysical, satirical, or all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next is who wrote the essay The Metaphysical Poets? And the options are S.T. Coleridge, T.S. Eliot, Dr. Samuel Johnson, and John Dryden. And the correct answer is option B, T.S. Eliot. The Metaphysical Poets is a prose work written by T.S. Eliot and it was published in 1921. Next is Me, It Sucked First and Now Sucks Thee, and in this plea are two bloods mingled be. Which metaphysical poem have these famous lines been taken from? And the options are To His Co-Mistress, The Flea, Death Be Not Proud, and The Mistress. And the correct answer is option B, The Flea. The Flea is a poem written by John Donne and it was published in 1633. Next is one important feature of metaphysical school, discovery of occult resemblances in things apparently unlike was mentioned by, means बिल्कुल विपरीत चीज़ों में सिमिलरिटी यानी समानता की खोज को मेटाफिजिकल स्कूल के एक इम्पोर्टेंट फीचर के रूप में किसके द्वारा मेंशन किया गया था? एंड द ऑप्शंस आर डॉक्टर सैमुअल जॉनसन, एस.टी. कॉलरिज, T.S. Eliot, and John Dryden. And the correct answer is option A, Dr. Samuel Johnson. Next is what were the important characteristics of John Donne's poetry? And the options are love and obscenity, humor and wit, obscenity and humor, and all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next is The Flaming Heart is the best work of which metaphysical poet? And the options are Andrew Marvell, Thomas Carlyle, Abraham Cowley, and Richard Crashaw. Correct answer is option D, Richard Crashaw. Next is who wrote Holy Sonnets? And the options are Richard Crashaw, Thomas Carlyle, Abraham Cowley, and John Donne. And the correct answer is option D, John Donne. Holy Sonnets are also known as Divine Meditations. Holy Sonnets are a series of 19 poems published in 1633. In these sonnets, the most famous sonnet is sonnet number 10 and it is also known as Death Be Not Proud. Next is who was the first to use the closed couplet which dominated English poetry for the next century? And the options are Richard Crashaw, Thomas Carlyle, Edmund Waller, and John Donne. And the correct answer is option C, Edmund Waller. What is closed couplet? Friends, closed couplet is a rhymed couplet in which the sentence is complete. Thanks for visiting our YouTube channel. Please like, share and do subscribe. Keep working hard. Thank you.